Hi everyone, welcome back to another house tour. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an amazing 3 bedroom semi-detached property. This is Hawley from pyehomes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Churchfarm, Oxfordshire. It's a quiet and nice area. You have really good schools nearby, and the connectivity is good. You have bus station and train station nearby. Now, going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the living, kitchen with dining, and a washroom. On the first floor you have 3 bedrooms, with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. Now, as you enter the house, you'll find a spacious and lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions towards your first floor, kitchen, and the living room. So, exploring the living room first. Beautiful living room with really good space and style. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofas and a TV set, and there's plenty of room space to walk around. Towards one side you're getting an extended bay window, and towards the front you're getting another window, so plenty of natural light falls in the living space. I really like the idea of having these type of storage benches in the living space. You can plan plenty of storage in there. And towards the front, there's additional room space wherein you can plan a sofa like this. Also, the interiors done in this room are really beautiful. The color combination, the artwork selection and everything looks very unique and nice. pyehomes aims to provide a sustainable community which showcases the best design and landscaping principles. Churchfarm promotes a greener way of life, pairing traditional materials with contemporary design alongside plenty of innovative features, which include in-roof PV solar panels, EV car charging access, air source heat pumps, underfloor heating. Every Churchfarm home has been built to accommodate a wheelchair. 25% of Churchfarm community will be multifunctional green space. Existing walking routes upgraded to become walk and cycleways to provide better access. Overall, a nice living room with really good style and comfort. Now let's check out other rooms in the property. Now, just opposite to the living room, you're getting your kitchen and the dining space. Again, I also like the plan of the property. Now, as you enter the house, towards your left side, you have the living, and towards your right side, you're getting your kitchen and the dining space. So, it's a comfortable kitchen with the dining space. Again, towards one side, you have the entire kitchen space, and towards the other side, you can plan a nice dining table like this, and you get really good room space to walk around. You also have this wide French door access towards the garden behind, and you'll be getting a beautiful garden space with fence around it. Now let's explore the kitchen space. It's a nice kitchen space. The worktop is spread out on all 3 different sides, and also it's quite wide. They've provided with plenty of cabinets at the bottom and even on the top. You don't have the gas hob in this. They're providing you the upgraded version of electric. So you'll be getting your integrated double oven and integrated fridge and freezer towards this side. This is all included in the price. Now, if you plan your dining table in the middle, you can actually plan an additional sofa towards the other end as well. Again, it's totally up to you. If you want to plan a big dining table like this, you can do that and you get some additional room space to walk around. And you're getting this additional window towards the opposite side, so plenty of light in the kitchen space. And just as you come out of the kitchen, towards your left side, you have some additional storage space wherein they have given the mains. If you want to hang your coats in the space, you can do that as well. So as you enter the house, this will be towards your left side in the front. Now let's check out the washroom in the ground floor. So between the living and the kitchen space, you're getting your washroom here. So this is the washroom in the ground floor. Nice spacious washroom. You have the water closet, sink, and they gave an exhaust. And it's a semi-tiled washroom. So we covered all the rooms in the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor, you have 3 bedrooms, with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. So exploring the first bedroom of the house. This is a double bedroom, but it's not the master bedroom. It's the first bedroom of the house. You can plan a double cot like this and you get really good room space to walk around. Towards one side, you're getting a wide window, so plenty of light falls in this bedroom. The paintings near the headboard look very pretty. You can also plan a wide wardrobe towards the front like this. Overall, a nice bedroom. You can use this as your kids' room, guest room, anything you want to. And also the landing space is quite wide and big. Just opposite to the first bedroom, you're getting your second bedroom of the house. Now, this is the master bedroom. And you have the attached bath as well. So this is the master bedroom of the house. It's slightly bigger than the first bedroom. You can plan a double bed or a king size bed like this and you get really good room space to walk around. You're getting 2 windows on both the sides, so plenty of light falls in this bedroom. The wallpaper selection in each and every room and the interiors done look very pretty. And towards the other side, you're getting the ensuite. Now let's check out the attached bath. The space in the bathroom looks okay. You have the walk-in shower, water closet, sink, and they gave a window. So the ventilation and light are really good in here. Now towards the entrance of the room, you have your additional space wherein you can plan the wardrobes. Everything in this room is differentiated, so you have a space for the wardrobes separately like this, and you have the bed space towards one side and again the ensuite. Overall, a nice bedroom with good style and comfort. Now let's check out the third bedroom of the house. So this is the third bedroom. It's again a double bedroom. Now all the three bedrooms in this property are double bedrooms, but the master bedroom is slightly bigger. It's a nice bedroom, as you can see. You can plan a double bed or even a king size bed, and you get really good room space to walk around. You're getting 2 windows in this bedroom, same as the master bedroom, so plenty of light falls in this bedroom. Now towards the opposite side, you can also plan your wardrobes like this. Overall, a comfortable third bedroom. You can use this as your kids' room, guest room, anything you want to. So just beside this third bedroom, you're getting your family bathroom. Again, the space in this family bathroom looks okay. You have the bathtub, water closet, sink, and there's a nice wide window, so plenty of natural light falling in here. So you're getting your water heater here. This looks like the water heater, but it's run by a sustainable air source heat pump. We covered all the rooms in the property. Overall, a beautiful property with really good style and comfort. We'll be sharing the details of the property very clearly in the description. For any further communication, you can contact the builders directly through their website. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.